Hello guys, we are back with another video. This video should get 50 likes, and make sure to subscribe because I'll be giving away the Merpico promo holographic. We are opening up an Evolutions booster box.
Wow.
Evolutions. So let's get cracking this open. I can't believe we even have Evolutions. This is a 2016 set. Reprint of base set. And let's take the packs out. Oh my god. These are lots. I'm hoping we can get the Mega Charizard, the Charizard Holo, or any other cards we don't have. So, cracking. First pack is a Charizard. A Charizard. Pack artwork. The problem is I don't know where the code is. What the code is.
If you always open them that way, you'll always have it on the bottom. See?
Okay, good. Pretty sure. So I'll put this right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swing from the back. Wait. Oh, it's 3. A Nidoking holographic.
Oh.
Jesus. Well, it's a holographic. I don't have this holographic.
Yeah, that one looks nice. Let me see that.
And then we have to look in, Daddy.
Yeah.
We still have
Yeah.
the reverse, or we could get the, Fire Energy, Voltorb, Charmander, Diglett, and it's a Magmar. For a second, it was red, so I was like,
All right. Well, we need all these cards. I take it.
yeah, we need them. Here's the pack of Sword and Shield sleeves.
Cool.
So actually, it's a Nidoking holographic. I mean, it's not the base set one, but it's a holographic. I only have one holographic. It's a Chansey. So that is the code card.
Okay.
Okay. A Raichu. So I guess Charizard broke through. And now it's a Raichu.
So it's 3 from the back then, right?
Uh-huh, because... Oh, I forgot about this set. That it's actually 3 from the back.
It's all right.
Wait.
Do it again.
Get this.
Yeah.
3.
There you go.
Last name Spirit Link. Pidgeot Spirit Link. Wait, I'm supposed to put them in. Okay, that was bad, but let's just put that over there. Put that right here. Put that right here. Poliwag, Voltorb, Tangela, Poliwag, Seal, Magikarp, a Stormy Break,
Ooh.
and then a Dewang. Whoa, a Stormy Break.
Look at that.
Back-to-back pulls. I do not have the Stormy Break. I have the Machamp Break, whatever it's called.
Okay.
So, wait a minute. This is naughty.
I want to see this.
It's a Stormy Break.
Look at that.
Wait, I need to push it in all
That's
the way.
a nice looking card.
Push it. There we go.
All right.
Code card.
There you go. All right.
As you know, green codes are actually good too because you can get break. So back-to-back pulls with the Raichu onto a Blastoise. If we get in this one, that would be absolutely back-to-back-to-back pulls with, I can't believe it, and with Evolutions. Evolutions I don't have the best luck with. Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
I mean, I've gotten 1, 2, 3. I mean, I've gotten Shield Potion, Charmeleon, Charizard Spirit Link, Staryu, Onyx, Wheel, Machop, Tangela, Misty's Determination, and an Electrode.
Okay.
Just like that, we not get some good luck. Another green, but Venusaur. Can Venusaur come through? The best artwork so far is, I think it's the Raichu. the Raichu is the best. 3. That's 3 from the back. Slowbo, Spirit Link, Magmar, Energy Retrieval, Weedle, Doduo, Staryu, Onix, Energy, Reverse Energy, and Eradicate. So, Advanced Venusaur is not the best. Now we're back to Charizard. And if Charizard can give us something, that means Charizard is the best because he gets 2 pulls.
Isn't he your fave?
Well, yeah, Charizard is my fave. 1, 2, 3. And let's see if he can give us the goodies. I see it. Professor Oak's Hint, Energy, Seal, Nidorino, Ponyta, Doduo,
Do a slow
Pikachu,
reveal.
Clefairy, and we got a Mega Venusaur full art card.
Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Get that right now.
It's a full art card. I guess this is our full art. This is going to be our full art. So, okay, the Mega Venusaur, it's a Venusaur, a Blastoise, or a Charizard. I will take it. Just
yeah.
what? Here's the code card.
Nice.
Literally, that's 5 packs in, 3 pulls, and it's from a Charizard again. Again, Charizard. Why? How is Charizard doing this? It's another Raichu, and we got it. 1, 2, 3. Then from the back. We got a Nidorino, Volume Spray, Brock's Grit, Sandshrew, Ponyta, Magnemite, Pikachu, Machop, Revive, Arcanine.
Okay.
It's weird. We're not getting any, like, secret rares. They're regular cards. I'm not kidding. What? I don't get it. I don't get it.
I don't know.
I just don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. We're not getting them. Come on. Give us a secret rare. I want some of the secret rares because I only have 2 of them from the set. I mean, like, oh, man. So, oh, no, I don't show you the code yet because we don't want to spoil it. Venusaur, Potion, Magnemite, Voltorb, Sandshrew, Poliwag, Diglett, Poliwag, Starmie. Okay. Good.
Mhm.
So it's starting to be weirder because I think guys were like I just don't know what to say. A Mega Venusaur full art. 3. Coughing. Misty's Determination. Revive. Electabuzz. Rattata. Growlithe. Nidorino. I think this is the reverse. Yep, it's the reverse. Mewtwo. Reverse rare. In a Dugtrio. I'm saying probably good. I mean, Mewtwo reverse rare. I can't believe we got a booster box, another one. We did the Rebel Clash one, and now we're doing evolutions. I mean, Blastoise, Spirit Link, Switch, Machoke, Growlithe, Ghastly, Charmander, Rattata, Caterpie, Coughing, Farfetch'd. What is happening? I think our dramatic pose is going away. Let's see how much packs we have in the first stack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9! 9. So we got into the 7. Why do I have that accent?
Yeah.
I don't know. What? tripod for Professor Oak's coughing. Tangle, Ratata, Weedle, Voltorb, Poliwag, Reverse Energy, and Eradicate.
Let's see. All right, good.
Charizard. Come on, Charizard, do not let me down. Don't let me down because you, and plus, we've been brain farting now. Sick. We need to get back in the game. Back in the game. Back in the... I saw it. 1, 2, 3. I think that was a break card. Or it's actually a ultra rare. So, that is a white and green. We know that already because we see something.
Right.
Energy Retrieval, Blastoise Spirit Link, Pidgeot Spirit Link, Doduo, Staryu, Onix, Energy, Voltorb, this is reverse, Hitmonchan, a Venusaur EX. What's the odds of that?
Wow.
What's the odds? What's the odds? Now guess what? I have the Venusaur.
Yep.
I have the Mega Venusaur.
Yep.
And I have the Full Mega Venusaur.
Pretty awesome.
So that's weird. I don't know what that is.
You need them all,
No.
so.
Yeah, I just don't know what's happening. A Raichu. This chart, I don't know what's happening. Why? Why? How is the Charizard doing this to me? Charizard just like keeps on giving me every single thing. He's like, oh my god. It's cray-cray, right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why Charizard. It's Charizard that's giving me these. Oh yeah, it's my favorite Pokemon. Yes, that is my favorite Pokemon. If you are wondering. 1, 2, 3. I'm looking forward to getting a secret rare. Charmeleon. There's a Charmeleon. Energy. Evolving Spray, Sandshrew, Onix, Magikarp, Energy, Staryu. Our first Magikarp. Wait, no. Oh, just a Stormy.
Okay.
Okay. Almost done. I think we have 6 left. And I was exactly right.
Pretty good pulls so far.
Yeah. Here's a Blastoise. I bet the Venusaur is like... I don't get it though. We keep on getting Venusaur stuff. Venusaur. Venusaur. Why are you haunting me? Why? 1, 2, 3. From the back, and let's put that there. Rock's Gray, Slowbo Spirit Link, Magmar, Ponyta, Magnemite, Pichu, Machamp, Weedle, Onix, Farfetch'd. Code,
yep.
5. Venusaur, and then the Charizard. The absolute banger. Charizard. What is happening? I don't get this. How is Charizard doing this? 1, 2, 3. It is the most best pulls ever. But Choke, Super Potion, Charizard Spirit Link, Charizard, Nidoran, Ponyta, Drowsy, Electabuzz, Vulpix, Poliwhirl, Mewtwo. I do not have that in holographic form. I would love to get that.
Yeah.
That Mewtwo in holographic. Charizard. It's Charizard time, people. It's Charizard. It's Charizard time. We are going to get some Charizards. We are gonna... If Charizard gives me a Charizard, I'll be like, what on earth? Charizard. I don't know what I'm saying. 1, 2, 3. From the back, we got. What is that? What on earth?
I don't get it.
What is Charizard doing? Is he some kind of god? What? I'm just speechless. Like, what? My mouth is gonna fall down. Delusion Spray. Rattata, Growlithe, Nidoran, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Reverse, Caterpie.
There we go.
A Dragonite. We have that again. But at
Ooh.
least it's a $200 card, I think.
Yeah, is that the gold one or?
Yeah, it's the gold card. It's the
Yeah.
golden. I mean, it's
Very
pretty
nice.
good, but
Yes.
we already have it.
It's okay.
I mean, it's not a popular card, so I'll take it. Raichu. I can't believe why. How is Charizard giving us this? He gave us 2 full arts. Full arts.
I know.
Why is there 2 full arts?
I'm not sure.
There's supposed to be only 1. That's the ratios of this. Kakuna, Potion, Resource Healing, Charmander, Energy, Pichu, Growlithe, Mudshop, Magnetar. I like that in holographic form.
That's nice.
A Mew holographic.
Nice.
A holographic. Why I said holographic form.
Wow.
This is actually a pretty
That's a really good pull right there.
I know it's a Mew, and Mew's one of the legendary Pokemon. We'll have to look this one up
Yeah, definitely.
because it's a legendary Pokemon. I mean, what is this? What is happening? I said, can we get a holographic in that form? And then it came up to a holographic. I was like, why? If I'm saying something, then it literally comes true. 1, 2, 3. And a flying Pikachu! And there's something at the back!
Oh boy.
Oh my goodness!
Oh boy. All right.
Flying Pikachu!
That is really nice right there.
Secret rare!
That is cool.
And I
Look
don't
at
have this
that.
one. I don't have this one. I
No?
only have the Ayamaka's Doduo and the secret rare.
That's a nice card right
Oh
there.
my goodness, secret rare plus the double banger. Ghastly, Caterpie, Drowsy, Magikarp, Electabuzz,
Slow.
Blastoise!
Nice.
Blastoise!
There we go. Like on the box. There he is.
I'd like to get the Mega Blastoise though, but what is the ratios? We have
I
to
know.
open up another one, right?
Wow.
We have to open up
How
another
many do we
one.
have just from the first?
Maybe the first stack. How
Yeah,
much?
the first
How much
stack.
does a stack have?
I don't know, but count what we have right now from the first stack.
EX, a Flying Pikachu, a Mew holographic, Dragonite EX, full art, Venusaur EX, Mega Venusaur EX full art, Stormy Break, and the Nidoking holographic.
Wow.
That is absolute cray-cray.
That is.
And that's only 8 cards from just one stack. I'm going to count how much a stack has, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Yeah.
That's 18. And
Well, 18 times 2 is?
36.
You got it.
And plus, I already know because every booster box has 36.
Mm-hmm.
So, I can't believe just out of 18, which this is actually the 18th, we got 8 pulls.
That's
That
pretty
is
impressive.
I see an energy on top, but we have to do the card trick. I can't believe we got the secret rare. I don't have that one. 1, 2, 3. And it was the double banger. That surprised me.
Mm-hmm.
Full Heal, Porygon, Pokedex, Energy, Caterpie, Ghastly, Diglett, Rattata, Ghastly, Beedrill, Ghastly, again. So,
Alright.
next stack. We're going to leave this stack right here. And we're going to
Okay.
start a new stack. Okay, guys? Starting a new stack.
It's going to be a super long video.
Oh, yes, it will be. It will 100%ly because it's like... Anyways, we have to stop for the pulls. Here's a Blastoise. Blastoise has... We have a Blastoise. I just can't believe we just need a Charizard to just complete all of the starters.
Mm-hmm.
Well, actually, Mewtwo, I think, is a starter. No, I don't think so. Well, we do have a Mewtwo. If we get if we get the Charizard holographic, I'm gonna save up my money for another one of these. Or for another time, my dad will get it for me. A coughing revive. Oh my god, it's another secret rare. And I
Nice.
don't have it. I don't
Very
have
good.
it. A secret rare. Starting off the first pack from this stack is going with a secret rare pull. Oh my god, double banger. Double banger. It's an absolute cray-cray. The first pack, and I don't have the needle case. What on earth is happening? Okay, I'd say this one's gonna have the most, but I would actually say it.
So far, so good, though, right?
Yes, so far so good. Like absolute cray-cray, so good. Let's see if I can get this. I just need Surfing Pikachu can complete all the secret rares.
Right.
There we go.
Okay.
And that was a green code. A green code.
Wow, that's pretty impressive.
That's like, wait, let me count the things. So, we got how much holographics? 1, 2 holographics.
Mm-hmm.
We got, so we actually already have the break. So we already have the break. I'm actually going to lay them out like this.
Some really nice looking cards here.
Yeah.
Look at that. Pretty impressive.
So we already have this and this.
Yeah.
So we just need all these to actually be complete.
What are these over here?
Those are just regular packs.
No,
Like,
this right here.
what, this?
Right here.
The Team Rocket?
And then what's behind that?
Break.
Oh, okay.
Neo can break. So let's get the... this.
All right.
This is going to be hard because it's like...
You want to? Well, just put them back in the stack so we have room.
I'm saying this stack is going to be better because it already has like 2 holographics. It has... I bet we could get 2 EXs in this stack, but we can't get 2 other full arts because that's insane.
All right, make space again. You're going to have to put those
I know
together.
I am making space, okay? Okay, I'm making space. I'm making space. I'm making space.
Making space.
I am making space, and you can't think so. I do not know what I'm saying. So that is absolute crazy. Oh, this is the other pack. It's full. Because I was like, oh my god, what's that? Oh my god. I can't believe the pulls from this thing are
This is blowing away the Sword and Shield Rebel Clash, right?
Oh yeah, this is blowing it away.
From that booster box.
Yeah. So a Kakuna, Pidgeot Spirit Link, Blastoise Spirit Link, Energy, Growlithe, Ghastly, Charmander, Rattata, Dugtrio, Electrodegriva.
A what?
Electrodegriva. I'm trying to speak, I don't know, gibberish.
Okay, you definitely pulled that off then.
Yay, gibberish time. it's here's Charizard. Here's Charizard. So here's the Charizard. Uh-oh, here comes the Charizard, people. Charizard time. Almost every single Charizard artwork has everything in it. 1, 2, 3. From the back. Oh, no, make that fall down. Professor Oak's Metapod, Switch, Electabuzz, Magikarp, Ghastly, Sandshrew, Weedle, Drowsy. The first pack with Charizard that gets the dud.
The dude.
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 Dude. That's 3 green cards in a row, but I don't care because it's the first pack. We got 2 pulls
Yes, very much.
in 1 pack. Bam. Bam. That's absolute cray-cray. That is absolute cray-cray. That is absolute cray-cray. No, what? My cat's looking at me like, What are you doing?
Hello.
1, 2, 3. Stop looking at us. We got something in the back.
We do.
And I'm pretty sure it's a 4.
Oh boy.
Pokedex, Haunter,
Here we go.
Energy Retrieval, Magikarp, Weedle, Electabuzz, Drowsy, Staryu,
Drum roll.
a Mewtwo!
Yes.
Mewtwo EX.
That
4!
full
4!
art. Nice.
Okay, so that means we're catching up to this stack. And this is just 4 packs in. 4 packs in.
Let me see that one. Let me just see that.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Mewtwo 4.
That's a nice looking card.
That's going to be more worth than that other one. Oh my
is
god.
Sweet right there.
3 full arts. How? How is there 3 full arts in one box?
I have no
The
idea.
ratio's 1. The last time we got 3 in the Rebel Clash, but still we're getting so many more V cards. Not many holographics though, because this set is low on holographics. 1, 2, 3. I mean, what on earth is happening? Oh, Jesus. Don't make that come out. Maintenance, Poliwhirl, Brock's Grit, Nidoran, Poliwag, Energy, Rattata, Vulpix, Electrode, and a Dewong.
Okay.
I'm speaking in a weird accent because I don't know why.
What do we got left for packs?
We only opened up 5, I think.
Oh, so we have plenty. Okay.
Yeah, like 20. Evolutions, Venusaur. Come on, Venusaur. We have 2 of you. So that means I choose you. To give me the pulls. I choose you. 1, 2, 3. I think he's going to have the pulls. Do you think?
I don't know.
He does.
Oh boy.
Devolution Spray, Nidoran.
There we go.
Slow-mo Swirling, Pikachu, Ponyta, Nidoran, Vulpix, Energy, Staryu, and a Mega Steel Bell.
Wow.
DX. EX, no, EX. There's no EXs yet. I don't know.
That is so colorful.
Yeah, I don't think it's a 4, though. It is still the card. I think we might be beating it. We just need 2 holographics. Wait, and 1 more. We got the 4. We need 1 more full art, 1 more EX, and 2 holographics to actually tie it up.
Wow.
Whoa, yeah. And I said, do you think about the pull? I don't know. Yes. Here's the Charizard. If we can get back-to-back, that would be actually crazy. But because Charizard has the best things, so I would think that they would have it. But I'm pretty sure it won't because it's giving us too much pulls.
We are getting
1, 2,
crazy
3.
pulls from this box.
We are absolutely getting crazy pulls from this box. 1, 2. Okay, what am I saying? Pikachu, Machop, Growlithe, Onix, Rattata, and Electrode. I don't know why I'm speaking like this, but it's so bad. Isn't it funny?
Yep. All right. What do we got?
We got the evolutions.
Who's on the pack?
Raichu.
Alrighty.
Why is Raichu on the pack? There's
I don't
not
know.
even an EX of him. What's up going on? There's only a holographic of him. So oh, he's the thing of Pikachu. I just need 1 more secret rare to complete the full entire secret rare slot. If we can pull that, 1, 2, 3. That would be amazing. Do you think he'll have the pulls?
I don't know. We'll see.
I would say no. Oh my god, I did it! I did it! Surfing Pikachu, I did it!
Nice.
I completed the secret rares! I completed them!
Alright, so that's great right there, right?
I don't think there's going to be anything else.
Well, just go through it.
This iteration, Porygon.
It's very exciting, though.
Voltorb, Caterpie, Poliwag, Vulpix, Raticate. Whoa!
Wow, look at that.
Another secret rare pull.
Great.
Are you kidding me? And now guess what?
What?
I completed the full set of secret rares. Actually, with the full arts. With just these. Because,
nice.
oh my goodness. Blastoise. We have you for EX. Will you actually give us the pulls? Will you give us the pulls, Blastoise? He said, maybe. I'll take that for, let me think about this. No. We got an Energy, Charizard, Spearlink, Kakuna, Seal, Charmander, Diglett. And I like that they has the levels.
Yeah.
Drowsy, Caterpie, Poliwhirl, level 28. Arcanine, level 48. Oh yeah, that reminds me of Pokemon Let's Go Eevee or Pikachu.
Okay.
You have levels on your Pokemon.
How many more packs do we have
Or on
there?
Pokemon Sword and Shield.
You want to count them?
Okay, I'll count them. Pretty sure it's like 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One away.
Okay.
I was one away from guessing it right.
Yeah.
This is number 8. Now there's 8. And this is a Raichu. I'm pretty sure the Raichu gave us the pull. Oh yeah, it was the Raichu that gave us the pulls. So I would say Raichu would give us something in this pack. 1, 2, 3. Raichu's going to give us something.
You think?
I guarantee that it will give us something. Maintenance. What is that? What is that? See, I told you. What is that? Whoa, 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 whoa. I have that, but I don't care because it's another one of the things. I'm just going through this because it's going to be green. Okay. So what? So we got another one. Another one. I think this is going to be this stack, right?
I believe so. One more big pull, and I think definitely.
Yeah. Because we have 3 secret rares, a full art, and a mega, and a break. And that was a green code. We already have the flying Pikachu, but we still have all of them. So.
That's right.
I already had 2 of them, so it's a Blastoise. Wait, yeah. Now there's 7 left. Plus this one is 8. There's 8 left, but plus this one is gonna be 8. But what am I saying? There's 7 left now because I'm opening this one. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Make me. So I said make me proud. I was gonna say make me proud. Pidgeot, Spearlink, Weedle, Electabuzz, Drowsy, Staryu, Energy, Starmie, and a Doug Trio.
Okay.
Did not make me proud.
It's all right.
Yeah, but we got this. Look at this. Thundershock, Fly, and then this one, Surf.
I know, that's great.
I mean, it's secret rares, and they're each $100 a piece. Remember? They're $100 freaking dollars a piece. How can you make? Oh my God! I just can't believe this. Evolutions is one of the best sets I've ever opened. Besides, maybe Sword and Shield is gonna be better. I don't know which one is better, Sword and Shield or.
I think Evolutions.
Oh, yeah. I mean, right when you said that there's something in the back, and we see that, so yeah.
Okay, here we go.
And there's little packs left. Charmeleon, Charizard, and Charmeleon, Tangela, Vulpix, Fire Energy, Voltorb, Charmander. What is happening? Charizard.
Here we go.
Is it going to be a Charizard? It's going to be a Mega Venusaur I already have.
That's okay.
I mean, it is a Mega Venusaur that I do have it, though.
Yeah, but...
It's okay.
It's okay.
So that means, it's the Mega Venusaur 4. Yay!
Oh, yeah. Hey.
Okay, so, Ham. How much do we have? 6. Yeah, 6. And it's Charizard. The last pack, we got Charizard, Charmeleon, and the Charmander. How much times do we see that? Well, I actually didn't get a Charizard EX or the Mega Charizard or the Charizard holographic. I don't know what I'm doing, but... Oh, wait, not that.
There you go.
Ooh. It was moving.
I know.
1, 2, 3.
It's magic.
It's magic.
Okay, ready?
This is the Charizard. So, it will probably... Slow-mo, we have the Mega one today. Pokémon. Oh, remember this one? If you feel bucks a pop, like... Hunter, Ponyta, Nidoran, Vulpix, Energy, Magikarp. Here's the Pikachu.
Oh, yeah.
It's the Pikachu reverse. It's a Mewtwo. I like Mewtwo's as a holographic. I haven't got one of those. It would look real good on there. So, we got 5 packs left.
All right.
Raichu. You know, let's see. Let's mix these up.
Okay.
Let's gonna save this one for last. Let's open up Venusaur right now. And then let's save this one and this one for last. So we get the Venusaur, then the Blastoise, then the Raichu we have 2 of. So Venusaur, 5 packs.
Here we go.
Which one is gonna have the better pull? Which do you think?
I'm not sure.
I'm pretty sure.
I just want to get one more really
I'm
good
just
pull.
pretty sure it's gonna be Charizard, right? Right?
Well, if you're going with the trend, that had been the better pack.
So I'm going with Charizard. I'm actually going with Raichu because there's 2 of those.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3. You got a Venus. Was that a Venusaur pack? Yes, it was. Venusaur, Spirit Line, Potion, Metapod, Diglett, Seal, Nidoran, Ponyta, Doduo, Porygon, and a Dewong. So I guess this one's out. I bet it's gonna be Raichu, right? Who do you think?
I'm not sure.
Blastoise, Raichu, or Charizard?
I'm gonna go with Charizard.
I'm going with the Raichu. Raichu, because those, remember the first pack? It was a Raichu artwork, so I'll be doing 1, 2, 3. From the back, we go. With a Porygon. Evolution Spray. Nidoran. Basic. Oh, wait, no, I was saying that. Voltorb. Diglett. Caterpie. Poliwag. Pikachu. I would like to get Pika. Oh, no, it's a reverse. Oh, it's a Raichu.
Very nice.
Pikachu. It's a Pikachu, and then it's a Raichu. Was this the one that I was actually looking for? Oh, no, it was the Magaton. But wow.
But that's a nice one right there.
Are you kidding me?
That's really nice.
Real nice. Oh, wow. I like this one.
Mm-hmm.
It's the 100 HP stage 1. Involves
Yep.
some Pikachu. I would like to get Pichu.
Nice.
And we had the Pikachu in that pack. Get it?
Yep.
So, I think which one will have the better pulls? I'm still going with Ryan. What did we just pull? We pulled the Raichu.
We did.
So, let's see. I think Blastoise is in the lead. Blastoise is in the lead right now.
Is someone going to come up big, or is this
Just going to be the Blastoise.
let's
1,
see.
2, 3. Professor Oaks. Oh, Super Potion. Pikachu! Again! Pikachu! Starmie. Onix. Weedle. Kakuna. We're gonna Eradicate! Okay, we might actually have to get past Raichu. The last Raichu pack. So I think I might lose. Which one did you guess?
I did say Charizard.
Oh, okay. So you're going with the Charizard?
Yep.
I'm still going with my Raichu. That will pull something in this pack. This pack. There's 2 left. 1, 2, 3. I don't see anything. I'm pretty sure it might be a holo. Machoke, Full Heal, Caterpie, Magnemite, Voltorb, Sandshrew, Poliwag, Electabuzz. Oh my god! Oh, it's a Charizard! It's a Charizard! Oh my god! $500! $500! Oh my goodness! Oh, what just happened? My mind blows up! Oh my god, Charizard! Charizard!
Be careful with that.
Charizard has been pulled! Charizard has been pulled! Oh my god, get the sleeve, get the sleeve.
Be careful with it.
Get the sleeve. Oh, it's in mint. It's in mint. I'm sending this off to PSA.
All right. Come on, we have one more pack left. I don't think we're going to be able to.
Okay, we're not breaking it. We're not breaking the record. We're not.
No.
We're not breaking the record.
No, that is awesome. Let me see that thing.
If we got the base set of it, it's I mean, it's over 1,000. Don't do that because
No,
let me
look
damage
at
it.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
This is one of the best videos I created.
Look at that.
A Charizard.
Sweet.
And then what do we have here? Charizard.
Well,
It's the
I guess
Charizard
it's safe to say that you beat Daddy when it came to opening the last couple of packs.
Well, we could pull a Mega Charizard or
Right.
another Charizard in this Charizard.
I mean, that would be nice, but
Charmander's on top. What if we pull the Mega Charizard? Then that would be absolute great, right? 1, 2, 3. On the back. Oh my god, there's something there.
okay.
There is something there. I'm not kidding. What on earth? How? How?
So Daddy's still in it. We don't know. We don't know what's in it. So let's
Okay,
see.
so Magmar.
Hey!
Oh my god, a secret rare! Secret! Misty's Determination. Charmander. Magnemite. Energy.
Go nice and slow.
Growlithe. Machop.
Here we
Slowbro.
go. Slow.
We got a Dragonite EX
Still really
pull.
good. Still good, but
A
wow.
double pull, but you can't
Yeah,
beat that.
but you can't.
Beat that.
No, but still an awesome. Those last two packs really were really good.
Dominated it. So, guys, we're gonna do a recap right after we sleeve this up.
All right.
So,
Get them all together, all the pulls.
Okay, guys, come down and look at this. We got a Charizard,
Look at that.
a Dragonite, a Surfing Pikachu, Raichu holographic, Mega Venusaur EX, Flying Pikachu, secret rare, Surfing Pikachu, secret rare, Mega Slowbro EX, Mewtwo full art.
Nice.
Here comes Team Rocket, secret rare, Nidoking Break, Mega Venusaur full art, Dragonite full art, Venusaur EX, Blastoise EX, Flying Pikachu secret rare, Starmie Break, Mew holographic, Nidoking holographic.
Wow. Okay, so what do you say?
Okay, guys, see you in another video, and bye.